Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Options: A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? Options: A. Article 15, B. Article 17, C. Article 19, D. Article 21. Correct answer is Article 17. Which of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? Options: A. Federal system of governance, B. Parliamentary form of government, C. Unitary form of government, D. Single citizenship. Correct answer is unitary form of government. The directive principles of state policy are borrowed from the constitution of which country? Options: A. USA, B. UK, C. Ireland, D. Canada. Correct answer is Ireland. Who was the first president of India? Options: A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Parliament of India consists of which of the following? Options: A. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, B. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President, C. Rajya Sabha and President, D. Lok Sabha and President. Correct answer is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. The Supreme Court of India was established in which year? Options: A. 1950, B. 1947, C. 1960, D. 1949. Correct answer is 1950. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights? Options: A. Part 3, B. Part 4, C. Part 1, D. Part 2. Correct answer is Part 3. The fundamental duties of citizens are listed in which part of the Indian Constitution? Options: A. Part 2, B. Part 4A, C. Part 3, D. Part 4. Correct answer is Part 4A. The concept of sovereign state in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from which constitution? Options: A. USA, B. UK, C. USSR, D. France. Correct answer is UK. Question for you. The preamble of the Constitution of India is based on the preamble of the Constitution of which country? Options: A. USA, B.
UK, C. France, D. Ireland.
Please comment your answer.